Have you ever had a design change and worried that you forgot to update the toolpaths? With the CAMWorks integration in SOLIDWORKS, you don't have to. This particular simulation is going to show a roughing, a finishing, and even an edge break toolpath. In the event that there needs to be a design change, we can go back into the sketch, change a dimension, and when we go back into CAMWorks, it's going to ask us, would you like to update the current toolpaths? When we simulate, we can see that the toolpaths have now updated to the new dimension change. That is the advantage of true integration. Design changes are fast and your manufacturing data always stays in sync.